crest, and I just had to find feet.
All right. I don't know what this is called.
Like if I don't know. When I finally got it, it just went. The first 3 times were shit. So you'll get there. It's a good place to work. Oh shit. Oh, okay. I came here to climb this tree.
Oh, honestly, it's 10 times better than Michigan.
Really?
Technically, I mean, there's Grand Canyon. It's the
There's
Yosemite. So Michigan's climbing.
Maybe if you take half of this wall. Oh, really?
And it's top rope only.
Oh.
No, you only
Yeah, go
yeah,
for it.
sandstone.
Oh shit. What did it begin? Oh, is it that close? Don't fall off this here.
Yeah, Stan Rogers.
Have you ever seen his son live?
His son?
His son is doing all of his sets and skill tours.
That's awesome. I have not seen that. Oh, Ford. This dude down there knows about Stan Rogers. Listen to that on the way home. Hey, Austin. Take.